Skyliner to Epcot.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Carribean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
I've been to that one over there.
Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean.
Riviera is new, isn't it?
Yeah.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands.
I've stayed there before.
I'm slowing down.
In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast.
Alright, so we're stopping.
Block check.
It's not that hot. Still get some breeze. When it's going though, the breeze is really nice.
Ciao, bonjour, and bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board.
Oh, that one's not done yet.
It's a really nice looking hotel.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abren automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
This is the fastest off.
Thank you. Para su seguridad, por favor.
Stop.
I think it was Devin. He hit the stop button.
What is this thing down the middle? What is this down the middle?
That right there? It's like a birthday kit. It's got like an iPad, paper, that's what kids want.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
Me too.
Skyliner's the Wi-Fi.
Hey, Wi-Fi, that's cool.
Does it say Skyliner Wi-Fi?
No, I just went to one bar and we left that.
Welcome aboard the
This is just
Disney
a mistake.
Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista were established in 1969 when Walt Disney World Resort was first being developed. They are both named after Buena Vista Street in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters are still located today.
Oh, dude, you can see the back of like every restaurant.
I know, I just noticed that.
It's like weird. They should like finish the whole mountain.
Just build a whole coaster on the backside. Everest 2.0.
Oh, they should like fix the backside and open it up and then work on the Yeti and then like.
They're fixing the Yeti, I heard.
Don't they like literally have to open the mountain and like put a new one in because it's like so heavy on the support structure?
Something like that.
Yeah. I want to see it fixed. I love the Yeti. Now just the Disco Yeti. Not bad when they're stopped.
Yeah.
They still get the breeze.
It's not bad at all.
Pack your passports. We are on our way to Epcot International Gateway. When we arrive, remember to use your My Disney Experience mobile app or visit a FastPass Plus kiosk to review your worldly itinerary for the day.
Where's Magic Kingdom at?
Themes.
Oh, you can see Batu from here. That's cool.
Dude, my uncle has like a really high position that he's in working for like all that. That's cool.
This one.
At the Swan Dolphin, yeah. I want the room at the top of the Dolphin. How much is that? Like
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we will be taking a scenic spin around the Skyliner turn station. Please remain seated. This station was designed for turning only.
Whoa, I've never seen this.
That's cool. It's like the one at Busch Gardens.
Dude, in RCT3, they like fly around the turns. They like overbank hard.
is Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. From elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake, this charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic beach towns and turn-of-the-century amusement parks.
Oh, the fake Eiffel Tower.
Oh, you can see the new Ratatouille ride.
Yeah.
If you are planning to visit
Oh wow,
Walt
they're adding a
Disney
lot
today,
on to like
now
the
might be a good
pavilion
time
for
to
it.
practice your holas, ni haos, and konnichiwas. When you arrive at each nation's
When is the Ratatouille ride?
cultural
Yeah,
hosts will
opening
relate
summer
to the region
2020.
and
The same as the Paris
help you
one?
make your
I think
visit
so.
to Epcot
It's supposed to
a
be.
truly
I didn't even know it was getting built here.
It's right there in that green building.
It's like a trackless dark ride.
Mm-hmm.
The Eiffel Tower is so small when you see it up close.
Dude, they're adding so much to Epcot.
I know.
It has like nothing to do.
Oh wow, they're really gonna add a lot onto this pavilion.
Oh, perfect. We're stopping right here.
We are now arriving at Epcot. To all who come to this place of
Some-
joy, hope, and friendship, welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, the Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.